Just spell out the best way you can. SPIDEI. I'm busy. Don't waste time trying to spell it right. Just do your sentences because she's going to want you to read it. Oh my goodness.
Come here, Miss Lady. Sit right here.
We're
I can't
here.
hear nothing.
We're here. It's a Zoom meeting.
Man, okay, we talking on the phone. Where's the how you I gotta take your head back.
I can't even see.
Good morning. This is County checking in tonight. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I can't hear.
Good morning.
Good morning. I can hear good.
All right, have attorneys check in, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ronnie Strong checking in on DeAndre Bidden, and he is on Zoom.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Jeanette Williams White checking in on
1 second. Mr. Strong, need your P number, please.
34545.
Thank you.
Attorney Sharon
Jeanette
Jones.
Williams White checking in on Amber Leslie Knight. She's a jailer. P61864.
Can we have the next attorney?
Sharon Jones. P number 57113. On Solars. Excuse me.
On who?
Michael Solars, SOLLARS.
Attorney Jones, repeat your P number again.
57113.
Thank you.
Good morning, Attorney Larry Polk on Monique Randolph. My P number is 48164.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is Attorney Whitney Lemelin, P58914. On behalf of Alexander Sims, he's also present via Zoom.
Repeat your P number.
58914.
You got a PIN number?
And Attorney Kevin Bassant, P71061. on behalf of Derek Smith Jr., and he's in Division 2 of the Wayne County Jail.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is Attorney Stephanie Farkas, P74227. I'm here on Donald Norfleet. And then Demetrius Parker and Aramis McKinney. All are out of custody.
Thank you. That's it.
Where's my attorney?
Any other attorneys need to check in?
Hello, this is Reagan Lake with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. I and Mr. Lakin, we're going to zoom in on the Lisa Harper case to adjourn it. It's set for an exam tomorrow afternoon. So we'll just wait for him to appear.
Everybody here, you will hear all.
We get to the prisoner first.
Okay, we have two prisoners. We have Knight and we have Smith.
Wayne County, who do we have? The young lady from Wayne County Jail, what's your name?
Wayne County, this is Amber Knight.
Okay, thank you. We'll go ahead and do it now.
We have case number 20-61976, the people of state of Michigan versus Amber Leslie Knight is here on 2 counts. Count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. The offender is a habitual offender. This is the second offense notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Anita Pena.
P82102.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeanette Williams, P61864, on behalf of Ms. Amber Knight, who is present by Zoom from the Dickerson Jail. My client is consenting to this matter being held by Zoom.
All right, Ms. Knight, state your name for the record, please.
Amber Leslie Knight.
Thank you. All right, counsel, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, we're asking that this matter be set for another PC in that I do not have discovery in this case.
All right, I'll adjourn the PCCs. I'll set it for an exam. It's set out far enough for you to get all the information you need.
Okay.
How many witnesses?
2.
All right, June 23rd at 10 o'clock.
Your Honor, may I address bond as to my client?
Sure.
Your Honor, Ms. Knight is on probation, and I believe it is to the circuit court on a previous matter. My client is on Social Security disability. She receives a check for mental health issues. She does have a worker that I need to contact with as far as her living arrangement. I did speak with her family members. Her mother is actively involved in her life. It's my understanding that this alleged assault is between a landlord So it appears to be some landlord-tenant issues that's going on in this case. So I'm asking if the court would allow a personal bond by tether. Mom indicates to me that they do not have funds to get my client out of jail. So we're asking for a personal bond along with a tether. And I'll continue to work with the social workers and making sure she's placed and followed up.
Well, if I put it on tether, I have to put it on tether somewhere. Where is she gonna go?
We would presently use her mother's.
Go ahead.
We would use, I'm sorry.
No, I was talking to your client.
Oh,
Go ahead.
okay.
Where's she gonna go? Ms. White?
Yes, sir. Her
Where's she gonna go?
Her mother's address would be the address that I would use.
All right. The people wish to be heard.
Judge, the people will leave it to the court's discretion.
All right, court's gonna reduce the bond to a 10,000 personal with the GPS tether. Have no contact with Mr. Henry Lee. No contact means no contact, Ms. Knight. You can't contact him. You can't have anybody else contact him. That's that person by telephone, text message, email, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. You can't put anything about this on social media. Do you understand that?
Yes, John. How do I retrieve my belongings?
Well, you can make arrangements to do that.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I do have an address.
I beg your pardon?
Never mind.
All right. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Night. This is Miss Connors. Can you send me a docket, please?
Oh, I sent it to the wrong person. Okay.
Thank you.
You welcome.
I'm about to call Mauricio. We can go to a business game. You want to go?
Mr. Sims, put your system on mute until we call your case. You hear everything you say.
DeAndre Bidden. We have the parties for DeAndre Bidden. We have
Ready?
case number 2059804. The people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Bidden is here on 2 counts. Count 1, home invasion, 1st degree. Count 2, breaking and entering. Illegal entry without owner's permission. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people, P82102.
Rodney Strong appearing on behalf of Mr. Bidden. He consents to these proceedings by Zoom, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Bidden, can you state your name for the record, please?
DeAndre Bidden.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Strong.
Yes, Your Honor, we are requesting a preliminary examination date.
All right, how many witnesses, Ms. Franklin?
One.
June 22nd, 9 o'clock.
That's a good date, Your Honor. I'm going to ask the prosecutor to provide me with the discovery in this matter. I submitted it through the portal on 11/29/20.
I'll send you discovery, counsel.
Okay. All right, Mr. Benton, can you send me your phone number, sir?
Oh, yes, 248-910-0104.
0104. All right, thank you, sir. All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Do you want to do Northfleet? It's a competency hearing.
Okay.
Judge, there's a special prosecutor on Norfleet.
Oh.
All right.
I'll try to see if I can get her.
All right, thank you.
Can we have the parties for Alexander Sims?
How you doing? I'm present.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Case number 2061056. The people of state of Michigan versus Alexander Kiri Sims is here on one count. Criminal sexual conduct for fourth degree, force or concerning. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Whitney Lemelin, P58914, on behalf of the defendant, who is present via Zoom. I'd ask that the court waive his physical presence, and he also waives his right to stand before you and proceed virtually in light of the pandemic. Is that accurate, Mr. Sims?
This is the sexual
Yes,
assault
sir.
case, and the
Hold on.
special prosecutor is not online yet.
All right, we're gonna have to recall it.
That's fine. I understand. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Can I do?
Prisoner for Division 2, Smith, Derek Smith.
Hold on.
You said you're gonna recall it?
I'm gonna recall it, yes. I have to wait for the prosecutor to come on.
Just mute yourself, Mr. Sims, and we'll be a little patient.
Judge, APA Wilmoth just was signed in. She's the one assigned on Norfleet.
Oh, okay.
That's correct. I was in the waiting room.
Okay, thank you.
Can I get your P number?
82085.
All right, hold on.
We have case number 2056675. The people of state of Michigan versus Donald Norfleet is here for a competency hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Wilmoth, P82085, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Stephanie Farkas, P74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. Norfleet, who's present via Zoom. Mr. Norfleet, I need you to unmute your device and state your name for the record.
Don Norfleet.
Judge, this matter was referred to the Forensic Center for Competency and Criminal Responsibility. We do have those reports back, and I am willing to stipulate to the reports.
All right, court has a report on the letterhead of State of Michigan, Department of Health and Human Services, Center for Forensic Psychiatry, dated October 30th, 2020. Both parties are in possession of that report.
Correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
And this is competency to stand trial and competency to waive Miranda rights. You have both reports?
The people do, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
All right, stipulate to the findings of both reports.
Yes,
Yes,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
All right, based upon that, the court will find that the defendant is in fact competent to stand trial and for exam purposes only competent to waive Miranda rights. We'll put this matter on track. How many witnesses?
One potentially also the OIC, so two potentially.
And how old are the witnesses?
14 and then the officer in charge.
All right, can we do February 1st at 2 o'clock?
Let me check.
That works for the defense judge.
February 1st, 2 p.m., you said?
Yes.
That works for the people.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Everyone have a great day.
You too. Mr. Norfleet, you're all set. You can log off.
Good morning.
Did anybody check in on this, Christopher Briggs, because defendant two, we have checked in.
Christopher who?
Briggs.
Briggs?
He's defendant one, yeah, BRIGGS.
Madam Clerk, my client is with me, Mr. Abahi. Who's that?
We got a couple of attorneys I haven't checked in yet.
Okay.
I don't see, oh, okay,
Who is your client again?
It's Albara Mohammed Obahi.
Let me get your P number.
B79199.
Thank you.
Thank
Is
you.
there any other attorneys that need to check in?
Not on prosecution problem.
Good morning. Yeah, this is Dwayne Johnson. I'm checking in on Eric Pope Kendricks. Is was scheduled for a in-person exam today.
Let me get your P number.
41842.
Are there anyone else that need to check in? Attorneys?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. This is William Lawrence. I'm the prosecutor on Derek Smith.
Let me get your P number.
Yes, it's P70481.
Is there anyone else? Any attorneys?
Madam Clerk, it's Sharon Jones.
Yes, who you have?
Michael Solars, who's present.
Your P number 57113?
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, okay, I have you checked in.
Thank you.
Can we have the parties for Derek Smith?
Ready.
We have case number 2060296. The people of state of Michigan versus Derek McGrath Smith is here for a motion hearing.
Appearances, please.
Yeah, good morning, Your Honor. William Lawrence, P70481 for the people.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kevin Bassant, P71061, on behalf of Mr. Smith Jr., who also should be present from the Wayne County Jail Division 2. I believe they brought him over, Judge, but I don't think he's on video at the moment.
You don't have Wayne County Jail on.
Well, can we still proceed in his absence, Judge?
As long as you're willing to waive his appearance.
No objection to waiving his presence, Your Honor.
All right, court waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Judge, the defense counsel filed a bond motion in this particular matter, Judge. This is a serious offense of first-degree murder, which we understand typically the court can instate a no bond. We're asking the court to consider a bond in this particular case, Judge. I know that the focus will be on whether or not Mr. Smith is a danger to the community and/or a flight risk. I wanted to, and I filed a motion in this court, Judge. I'm not certain if the court has received it, but
I have a motion.
All right, thank you, Judge. I don't want to just rehash the motion, but in terms of the flight risk, Judge, Mr. Smith is 21 years old, no criminal history whatsoever, or to my knowledge, no criminal history. He has lived in the city of Detroit with his mother and father for his entire life. Both his mom and dad are watching this on YouTube, so they're a major part of his life. There's no capious history, no flight history. In terms of dangerous to the community, Judge, again, I understand that this is a very serious charge, and I understand that the prosecutor would object. But Judge, I would ask the court to focus on a few things. Number one, this young man is 21 years old. At the time of this particular offense, he was enrolled in school at Dorsey Schools in a medical nurse practitioner program and the LPN program. He was gainfully employed. Again, Judge, no criminal history whatsoever. But more importantly, Judge, there's no history of any type of gang activity. There's no history of any type of dangerousness or violence in his background. A preliminary exam is scheduled in this matter for January 19th, 2020. Defense counsel, without going into facts, Judge, we're convinced that the facts of that exam will show that Mr. Smith was not a shooter, was not armed. At this point, Judge, we believe that the facts at the preliminary exam will show that there's not a lot of probable cause to tie him into the first-degree murder charge. So, Judge, I would ask the court to take a lot of this into consideration other than the charge. I believe that a no bond in this particular matter is strictly punitive. At this point, Judge, Mr. Smith also suffers from high blood pressure. He was receiving medications in the Wayne County Jail, but the medications are not adequate. And with the COVID-19 conditions, Judge, I believe that he would be considered an at-risk inmate. So for those reasons, Judge, we're asking the court to consider a bond. Again, right now it's no bond, but we're asking the court to at least consider a reasonable bond, given the circumstances, given the fact that he's going to return to court if he's able to post bond. Actually, Judge, he's been in custody since September, the date of his arraignment. We had a preliminary exam date on November 24th, but that got adjourned to January 19th. And he's just been sitting there awaiting his court. So for those reasons, Judge, we would ask the court to strongly consider a bond in this particular case.
No.
Right. People should be heard.
Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on one second. Mr. Sims, put your system on mute. Please, thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
Judge, the people would object to a bond being placed here in this first-degree murder case. The allegations are, this is a drive-by shooting case. The allegations are that Mr. Smith is the driver in that drive-by shooting where 2 people shot out of the vehicle. The allegations are that it's gang-related, entirely gang-related, and that the associated gang with Mr. Smith is called the Jack Boys or the Grimy Gang. There was the victim was said to be part of a different gang, and so that's why this happened, according to the allegations. I don't have any criminal history record to give to this court other than to say that in police reports, there's an indication that on January 2nd, Mr. Smith was arrested for a weapons offense in the Dearborn Police Department. I can't corroborate that. Both of these facts, Judge, are facts that would be in a pretrial services report, which I don't think exists in this case, but right. Would object, given the charge and the facts and the other stuff that I just said, to a bond in this case.
All right, any brief rebuttal?
Very, very brief, Judge. As I stated before, Judge, there's no history of any type of gang activity, and even as the prosecutor stated that there's no verification of a criminal record. A pretrial services report was ordered about a month ago, Judge, but to date, I don't have a copy. I don't think the court has one, or the people. But for those reasons, Judge, I do believe that a bond would be efficient. And let's hear this out on the 19th at the preliminary exam, Judge. But in between that time, I believe he should be awarded a bond.
All right. Well, yeah, there is no DSU report because they're not working at this point, as far as I know. We've ordered, I don't know how many DSU reports, and we haven't received any. So I can't deal with that. This matter is set for exam in January. At this point, I'm not changing the bond. The bond's going to remain on remand. I will revisit the issue after I hear the exam and hear the testimony. But at this point, no, I'm not going to change it. The motion is denied. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, this is APA Franklin. There is a prosecutor in the waiting room. It's the prosecutor for the matter that was called previously.
I've been letting.
Last name, Trumer.
I'm here.
Yeah, I just got him in.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Truman, which case you got?
Sims, Your Honor.
Sims? Okay,
Yes.
We're ready.
Can I get your P number, Mr. Trumbull?
P75097.
Recording case number 2061056, the people of state of Michigan versus Alexander Sims. Here on 1 count, criminal sexual conduct, 4th degree. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
And good morning, Your Honor. John Trummer appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Whitney Lemelin, P58914, on behalf of Alexander Sims. Date and time set for a probable cause conference. We've already waived his appearance and asked that the court allow him to proceed virtually. Mr. Sims,
your name for the record, please.
Alexander Sims.
All right, Mr. Sims, so you know I don't do t-shirts and I don't do sweats in my courtroom, even on Zoom. Wear a shirt with a collar, sir. You understand?
I apologize.
Thank you. All right. Counsel?
Your Honor, this is date and time set for a probable cause conference. I requested discovery on November 25th. I haven't received any. I'd ask that this matter be set for an exam and give us time to prepare.
All right. How many witnesses?
Just one, Judge.
All
And I'll give Mr. Lemlin the discovery today.
All right.
I have no doubt you will.
June 21st at 9 o'clock. Is that a good date?
That's my son's birthday. It's a great day.
Works for the people.
All right.
That's a good day, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day, everybody. Sims, call me.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Bonds continue.
Called in the parties for Abara Muhammad.
Good morning, Mohammed Bazi appearing on behalf of
One second.
the defendant.
1 second. You got to call the case.
All right.
Case number 20-61740. The people of state of Michigan versus Abara Muhammad. What is it? Obohad? Abahi.
Obahi.
Here on one count, weapons, carrying, conceal. Commission of a felony with a motor vehicle advisory. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Mohammed Bazi appearing on behalf of the defendant, who's present with me in the same room. To my right. Mr. Obahi, could you please state your name?
My name is Albara Muhammad Obahi.
We're, my office requested.
One second. All right. All right.
Comments. I'm free to comments.
She's on? All right. Go ahead, counsel.
All right, Your Honor. My office did request discovery in this matter. I checked my email. I haven't received anything yet. For that reason, I would obviously, I want to request a discovery so I can check on the circumstances of this stop.
All right. So in the interim, we're going to set this matter for exam. If you decide to resolve it any other way, just contact the court. And we'll do it on Zoom. All right?
All right, Your Honor. Ms.
How many
Franklin?
witnesses?
One.
One.
Oh, yeah. We have a witness as well.
Oh.
So we have two witnesses, the defendant and someone else.
June 23rd at 9:30.
Say that again, Your Honor. January 23rd?
Yeah, June 23rd at 9:30.
June 23rd, 2021. Okay.
Counsel, you'll provide me with the witness list?
I will, Ms. Franklin, could you also provide me with the discovery or via email or?
Yes. What is your full name, counsel?
Mohammed, Mohamad, middle initial I, last name Bazzi, Bazzi. I can give you my P number to make it easy because there's multiple Mohammed Bazzi's attorneys.
Okay, I'll take your P number.
P79199.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Can the parties for Michael Sola? Case number 20-57482. The people of state of Michigan versus Michael Levon Sola is here on one count, weapons, carrying, conceal. This matter is scheduled for an exam.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
If it pleases the court, Attorney Sharon Jones, P number 57113, on behalf of Mr. Solars, who is present. Mr. Solars, can you unmute and state your name, please?
Yes, I'm Michael Solar.
All right. Reschedule this matter. Counsel?
Your Honor, today is the date set for preliminary exam, and we're requesting another date.
All right, June 23rd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Bob, continue.
Thank you.
Can we get the parties for Monique Randall?
Ready.
Mr. Pope, are you here on, you here on Monique Randall, yes?
Yes.
We have case number 205747202. Defendant 2, Monique Randolph, is here on 1 count, weapons, carrying and concealed. Commission of a felony with a motor vehicle advisory. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Monique Randolph, who is present. Ms. Randolph, would you state your name for the record, please?
Monique Randolph.
Judge, today is the date and time that was set for a preliminary exam. I understand what's going on with the courts, and so we're asking for a new date.
All right. Oh, shoot. This is a two-bagger?
It is, Judge.
Do we have Mr. DiMaggio on?
Yes, Your Honor. Two.
All right. We're also calling case number 2057478, people of the state of Michigan versus Christopher Briggs. And Mr. Briggs is charged count 1, weapons carrying concealed, and commission of a felony with motor vehicle advisory. Mr. DiMaggio, your appearance, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619, on behalf of Christopher Briggs, who is present on Zoom.
Mr. Briggs, state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Briggs.
Thank you, sir. All right. Can we do this on June 23rd at 10:30?
Defense, DiMaggio.
That's good with me, Judge.
All right. All right, bonds continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You and staff have a good day.
You too.
You too.
And Judge, this is Attorney Stephanie Farkas. My 2 other clients, Mr. McKinney and Mr. Parker, are both on the call now.
Can we get the parties for Kendrick Pope?
All right.
Yes, I'm available, Madam Clerk.
We have case number 2058961. The people of the state of Michigan versus Eric Cornell Pope Kendricks is here on 1 count, weapons, carrying and concealed. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Dwayne Johnson on behalf of Mr. Eric Pope Kendricks. I did waive his appearance since I knew we weren't going forward today, Your Honor.
Is he online? Because I don't wait. He's set for exam.
Here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can get him. Oh, is he on? Oh,
he's on already.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize he was on. Okay. Yeah, he's there.
All right, sir. State your name, please, for the record.
Eric Pope Kendrick.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Johnson, we're just rescheduling this matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, June 24th at 9 o'clock.
That works, Your Honor.
All right, continue.
All right, thank you. Everybody have a good day now.
I have a great day.
You too.
You too.
Can we have the parties for Amias McKinney?
Ready.
We have case number 2058981. The people of the state of Michigan versus Amias Ronald McKinney is here on 1 count, weapons, carrying, concealed. This matter is scheduled for an exam.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Stephanie Farkas, P74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. McKinney, who's present via Zoom. Mr. McKinney, please state your name for the record.
Ms. McKinney.
Just resetting this, man.
Yes, Judge.
June 24th at 9:30. Is that a good date?
I'm checking. Hold on one second, Judge. Yes, that's fine, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And bonds continue.
You're all set, Mr. McKinney.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
The parties for Demetrius Parker. We have case number 1855754. The people of the state of Michigan versus Demetrius George Parker is here on 3 counts. Count 1, false report of a felony. Count 2, failure to stop at a scene of a personal injury accident. Count 3, operating, no license, multiple license. This matter is scheduled for an exam.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning again, Neighborhood Defender Service by Stephanie Farkas, P74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. Parker. Mr. Parker, please state your name for the record.
Demetrius Parker.
Judge, again, we're just asking for another date on this.
June 24th, 9:45.
Ms. Franklin, are you keeping this file? I
No,
know Ms. Wright had it previously, and I've been trying to talk to somebody about the file.
no, I am not keeping this file. We don't have specific prosecutors assigned, but you can email me and I'll do my best to follow up with you and see if I can answer whatever question you have.
Okay, because I have a couple pieces of outstanding discovery.
Okay,
Okay, I'll email you. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Okay, Your Honor, that's, who else? do we
Mr.
have?
Parker, you're all set.
Okay.
We got, who we got here? Mr. Cantor, who was on. Oh, no, it was on. Okay.
Cantor, I think it's
And
Curtis.
we got Mr. Clemens, who do you have?
I have David Cook, Your Honor, the third.
Okay. And Mr. Cantor, who do you have?
I have Curtis Stanziel, Your Honor.
Curtis Stanzio. Oh. I miss anybody?
How you doing?
Sir, your name, please.
Daquan Ambrose. Daquan Ambrose.
Ambrose?
Yeah.
That's he's the first page.
Oh, okay, Ambrose. All right, just gotta wait for your attorney to check in.
Oh, all right.
Ms. Lake, who did you have?
Mr. Lakin or Miss Lake?
Yeah, Mr. Lake, who do you have?
We have Elisa Harper.
He's
He's up for tomorrow live exam, and we just need to pick a new date, I believe.
All right. time is it set for tomorrow?
Set for 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Okay, we have case number 20-56878. The people of the state of Michigan versus Lisa Hopper.
Good
Have
morning.
One count child abuse, 3rd degree. This matter is scheduled for exam on December 2nd.
Good morning, Reagan Lake, P70433 on behalf of the people.
Morning, Mark Lake, and on behalf of defendant.
All right. Is your client on?
Mike, I texted my client, but if you don't mind, I'll waive their appearance. They don't even know the exams. Actually, they do. I told them I'm going to sign on sometime this week and get a new date. So I think they're at work today.
When's the last time you talked to her?
I believe it was last Wednesday.
I normally require them to be on if it's an exam.
Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, I understand. But we're signing on a day early to not inconvenience everybody and get everybody down there or whatever.
All right, I'll waive her appearance.
Thank you.
For the purpose of this hearing. How many witnesses was this?
I think there'd be 2 witnesses, Your Honor, the complainant and his father.
February 1st at 2:30.
That works for the people, Your Honor.
Yeah, that works for us also, Your Honor.
All right. Continue.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you, everyone.
Here we have the parties for David Cook III. Case number 20-61825. The people of the state of Michigan versus David Cook III is here on 3 counts. Count 1, home invasion, 1st degree. Count 2, controlled substance possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic, less than 25 grams. Count 3, police officer, assaulting, resisting, obstructing. The defendant is a habitual offender. This is the 4th offense notice. This matter is scheduled for a PCC.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, and may it please the court. My name is Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of Mr. Cook. For this proceeding, Judge, I'm asking that the court waive his appearance.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What is your pleasure?
We're asking that an exam be set, Judge, recognizing that it'll be some time out.
All right, how many witnesses?
Possibly 3, Judge.
All right, June 24th at 10:30.
Very good, Your Honor.
Did you say June 24th?
Yeah, June 24th at 10:30.
Okay, thank you. Counsel, do you have discovery?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send discovery.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, everyone.
You too.
All right, you too.
Can we get the parties for Curtis Bell Stencil? Case number 20-16755. The people of the state of Michigan versus Curtis Bell Stencil is here on 5 counts. Count 1, weapons, firearm, possession by felon. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. 2nd offense notice. Count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by felon. Count 4, weapons, felony, firearm. 2nd offense notice. Count 5, weapons, carrying and conceal. The defendant is a habitual offender. This is the 4th offense notice. Commission of a felony with the motor vehicle advisory. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Cantor,
P24993, appearing on behalf of Curtis Stanseal.
All right, Mr. Stansell, state your name for the record, please.
Curtis Stansel.
Thank you. All right, counsel, we'll set this matter for exam. Mr. Cantor?
Yes, Your Honor. I have not received any discovery in this matter, so I would ask the court set the exam far enough out so that I can receive it and review it with my client.
All right, how many witnesses?
2.
2. June 24th at 11:15.
That would work for the defense.
All right, bonds continue.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Everybody have a good day.
Thank you, too.
Okay, we got Bryce Bank and 3 Williams. We just got anything more term.
What happened to Ms. Parker? She got one more. Did we do that one more?
You had to zoom in. Martin for Ambrose, she's about to zoom in.
Did we do Northleaf?
Yes.
Okay. We just got 3 PCCs
Yep,
and 3 exams.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning. I have a Matthew Banks, BCC this morning.
Okay.
What is your P number?
73015.
parties for Matthew Banks, case number 20-61703. The people of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Banks is here on 2 counts. Count 1 and 2 are both police officer assaulting, resisting, and obstructing. The defendant is a habitual offender, 4th offense notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kiana Franula, P73015, on behalf of Mr. Matthew Banks, appearing via Zoom. I'm not sure if that's Mr. Banks present under the iPhone.
Mr. Banks, state your name for the record, please. Mr. Banks, state your name for the record, please.
I'm not sure if that's him or not, Your Honor.
I'm Ambrose. I'm Ambrose. I'm Ambrose. No,
You're Ambrose? Oh, no, he's not.
So, Your Honor, I will request to waive his presence. I have had discussion with Mr. Banks regarding this case, and I also have received discovery. We will be requesting an in-person preliminary examination date.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. How many witnesses?
1.
June 24th at 11:45.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel, you said you do have discovery?
I received quite a few. Yes, I did have trouble downloading the last one I got, but I'm going to try it again. I've updated my system, so if I have trouble with that last one, I'll be sure to give you a contact.
Okay.
Can I get the parties for Daquan Ambrose, case number 20-56281. The people of the state of Michigan versus Daquan Darnell Ambrose is here on 1 count, weapons, ammunition, possession by felon. The defendant is a habitual offender. This is the 2nd offense notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause hearing.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Alicia Martin, Your Honor, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Ambrose, who is present via Zoom.
All right, Mr. Ambrose, state your name for the record.
Daquan Ambrose.
Thank you, sir. All right, Ms. Martin.
Your Honor, I have received discovery in this matter. We are requesting a date for an in-person preliminary examination.
How many witnesses?
1, Judge. 1.
All right, June 24th at 12 noon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We got Mr. Rhodes. Mr. Rhodes, who do you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. I got a telephone message from your clerk yesterday that the date I got last week on Rome Harris was June 18th, and that was a block date for you. So she asked me to call you back. I can give you the case number.
All right. What's the case number? You pull up.
20057-033-02.
All right. Hold on, I have to pull it. Can you pull, print up, RA, 20057-033? That's Ramon Harris, right, Mr. Rose?
Rome Harris, R-O-M-E, but yes.
Yeah, Rome Harris. All right, this is calling 20057-033, People State of Michigan versus Rome Harris. The charge is possession of ecstasy. Have appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Frank Rhodes, appearing on behalf of Mr. Harris. My number is 24119.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
All right, Ms. Franklin, we had set this matter, I think it was early in the week for June 18th, but for whatever reason, the court has that day blocked, so can't do it on that day. So have to reschedule it for June 25th at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Judge, may I have the defendant's first and last name? I know the last name is Harris, and the case number, please.
The first name is Rome, R-O-M-E, middle initial D, last name Harris. Case number is 20057-033.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We have Ms. Silver on. She, Mr. Bryce.
Called in the parties for Marcellus Bryce. Case number 1958419. The people of the state of Michigan versus Marcellus Bryce is here on a motion hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gabi Silver. I was contacted this morning by your court. It appears that Mr. Bryce filed a motion on his own behalf. I was his attorney at the preliminary examination. I'm happy to assist in any way I can.
And Judge, for the record, this is a specially assigned case, it looks to me, and I am not the prosecutor for this case.
Judge, this matter started out as a domestic violence matter. It was a CSC case that was heard before Your Honor on a preliminary examination. I don't even remember when. It's been some time now. This court dismissed the case after the preliminary examination, and Mr. Bryce is requesting that his arrest records and biomedical testing, all of that be destroyed, as is his right.
Okay, the only problem is there's no, I don't have any documentation from the state police. I have to have something from the state police saying that he doesn't have anything else. Let me see. Oh, wait, this is an arrest record on just this one matter, right?
Just this one matter, Your Honor. He doesn't have anything else, but we're just talking about this one matter.
All right, I still gotta get, hold on, Mr. Bryce, I still gotta get the prosecutor in on it.
The prosecutor was, the prosecutor for domestic violence at that exam was
It was Emily
Miss
Annell.
Miss Annell, Emily Annell, Judge.
I sent her an email. I can send her a text right now, Judge, if you give me just a moment.
All right.
Thank you. I'll mute. Mr. Bryce, mute yourself, okay?
All right, we'll recall that so she comes on. Okay, I believe we're gonna get Mr. Simon and Mr. Edison.
Good morning, Attorney Anderson. This is Ms. Banks calling on the 36th District Court, Judge Giles clerk, calling concerning the Andre Ring case that's set for exam on today. We want to know if you could zoom in for the reschedule. Before 3 o'clock?
Judge, I was able to get a hold of Mrs. Anno. I'm not sure, but she could be in the waiting room. Could you please keep an eye out? She said she was gonna check in between her other matters and this one.
Okay, she just got in there.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is recalling case number 1958419. People of the State of Michigan versus Marcellus Bryce. It's here on a motion hearing. Ms. Anno, this was your case at the preliminary exam?
Yes, Your Honor, it was dismissed, so at the preliminary
Right.
exam, so I have no objection to, it's my understanding it's a motion to destroy his medical records.
Yeah, the biometric data and the arrest record.
Yeah, so I have no objection to that. The case was dismissed.
All right. All right, and based on that, court will just sign the order.
Is it possible for you to have your clerk email me the order so we have a copy of it as well?
Sure, you gotta,
She can give me her email.
give her the email so she can email it to you.
Okay,
So-
it's gabiDsilver@gmail.com.
Can you put an appearance on the record,
Yeah.
please?
Yes, Gabi Silver appearing on behalf of Marcellus Bryce, P36382.
And Mr. Bryce, put your name on the record, please.
Emily Anno, P805534, the people.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Is there anything else you need from me, Judge?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, thank you. Nice to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you too. Take care.
You too.
Okay, we're all set then too, Judge?
Yep.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a safe day.
All right, you too. Take care now.
Bye.
Just gotta fill out the case information, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I left a message with the last case. With,
Mr. Edison?
yeah.
What about Mr. Simon?
Addison is on both of them.
No, we had a 1045, like Kevon Smith, did we do that?
I don't recall it, Judge.
I don't think we did it,
No, we haven't done it.
but we did do Greg.
Yes.
Yes.
was trying to get in touch with Attorney Simon. Hi, Attorney Simon, this is Ms. Banks. The case here, Kevon Smith. It is the judge. Yes, he wanna know. He said he was trying to wait, because he can't get in touch with the defendant. He was trying to wait till 10:30. I guess it's held at 10:45. He said, can you get him to 10:45? See if you can get in touch with him.
All right, doesn't talk to him at all?
Hello, the judge say, have you talked to him at all? Okay, that sounds good. Okay. He said he's going to log in. He's finishing up in the courtroom. He hasn't spoken. Good morning. So this is District Court Judge Johnson. Who is the defendant on the case? It was just a motion hearing today. It was no exam today. That's correct. Just the same. Well, like exams are held in person. They're not going to be held on the Zoom. Well, no, not right now, so, let me see. It was just a motion here today, it was not an exam today, so there was no need for you to be here. Okay, you too.
Judge Giles,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know if defense will be signing on for Kevon Smith anytime soon?
Should be. He said he's getting ready to come on.
Okay. Do you think I have time to step away for about 5 more minutes?
Yes, go ahead.
Thanks.
Good morning. Hello? Yes. What is the name, sir? What is the name? Okay, it was a motion hearing. It was just a motion. It wasn't a exam held today. It was just a motion. The exam going to be held in, like when the defendant or a prosecutor filed a motion requesting the judge to consider something. So the exam is scheduled for January. That's when the exam is set. This was just a motion. Well, the motion was denied, sir. Hold on. Yeah, it's on, yeah, we did that. Yeah. I will have to check that in the system. Good morning, Judge Giles. Well, we're not, right now, we're not hearing in person. In person is not being held right now.
I'm back, Judge. I'm just standing by.
Okay, thank you.
No, it's not, you have to come up to this zone, yes. You're welcome. Who is that? Yes, but Derek Smith, the exam date is for January the 19th. You can zoom on. Right. The motion hearing was already heard. This, January the 19th at 1:30 is the hearing. You're welcome.
Is there a clerk in court today? Oh, Judge, I didn't see you. This is Ron Haywood. I got a 3 o'clock, Deontay Williams for exam.
Yes,
Do you know if it's going to happen at 3?
no,
Okay.
set for an in-person exam, so we're waiting on Mr. Edison to come on so we could try to adjourn it.
Okay. I'll just stay on the line. Thank you.
All right, if you can, I don't know if you can get in touch with him, we left a message.
Yes.
Yeah, because we only were able to leave a message. I don't know if you have a number for him.
For Mr. Edison?
Yes,
I'll look and try. Thanks.
all right, thank you.
Good morning, 36th District Judge James Ford. I'm doing well. Yes. Okay, what's your pay number? Attorney Brown, he's standing in for, Edison, yeah.
You just gotta. Hey, Mark, how you doing?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good.
I'm
Mr.
sorry.
Haywood?
I was.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
No, I said I'm sorry. I was mistaken because I thought Jeff told me the date was the 2nd, not the 1st, and so I apologize to you for not being here earlier. Yeah.
All right. You know, you had 2 of them, right?
No, I was aware of the Deontay Williams, but I can handle whatever it is probably.
Oh, Deontay Williams got 2 cases.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. All right, and Mr. Haywood's on, we can call that one.
Okay. The parties for DeAndre Williams, we have case number 2056766. The people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Williams is here on 6 counts. Count 1, carjacking. Count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 3, motor vehicle unlawful driving away. Count 4, felony weapons, felony firearm. Count 5, weapons, felony firearm. Count 6, weapons, felony firearm. DeAndre Williams, case number 200602778. The people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Williams, also known as Dante Williams, is here on 3 counts. Count 1, homicide, 1st-degree murder, multiple theories. Count 2, robbery, unarmed. Count 3, escape from jail through violence. Habitual offender, 3rd offense notice. Both matters is scheduled for exam.
Judge, I didn't know that you were calling this case, but it's not mine. It's been specially assigned.
I know Mr. Haywood is on.
Oh.
I'm on for the carjacking. Matthew Penny is on.
It's Matt Penny.
Yeah, Matt Penny's on for the homicide.
Yes.
Oh.
I can email him, call him right now. I don't know why he's not on. If I can have a second, Judge.
Okay.
I thought we were going to do the Kevon Smith case. That's my last one.
I know. Mr. Simon hasn't come on yet. I think he's still trying to find his client for the last 6 months.
I didn't hear you, Judge. What did you say?
I said, I think he's still trying to find his client for the last 6 months.
I don't have an updated number from Mr. Penny.
I do. You hold on just a second. I'll see if I can get him.
All right.
I just left a message, Judge. You didn't answer, but
Oh,
and I
he's
sent a
here.
text message.
I got him.
Okay, thank you. Good.
All right, Mr. Haywood, as to your case, how many witnesses did you have?
It's going to be a 3-witness case.
All right, February 9th at 1:30. Is that a good date?
Good
I think
day for
that's
the
good,
people.
Judge. Yeah, that's good.
And Judge, this is Matthew Penny for the people on the murder case, P74079. I apologize, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Penny. All right, Mr. Penny, how many witnesses you have on yours?
I anticipate it'll be 2, potentially 3, but the third one would be a quick witness. Just for authentication purposes. I expect Mr. Edison and I would be able to work that part out.
I'm sure.
All right, we'll set that one for 2:30 on February 9th. Is that a good date?
The date's fine, Judge.
That'll be just fine. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very, very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, everybody.
Everybody remain safe.
You as well, Mark.
Thanks.
All right, we have Mr. Simon here now.
Okay.
Do his.
We have case number 2057429, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kevon Smith. It's here on 1-count weapons, carrying and conceal. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Madam Clinton, appearing on behalf of the people.
We can't hear you, Mr. Simon, you're on mute.
Sorry. You're Jonathan Simon, P35596 for Mr. Smith. Your Honor, the matter was set for in-person exam at 10:45. Obviously, it won't go, but I have been unable to tell Mr. Smith about the change in the circumstances, and his phone has been disconnected. So perhaps we need to wait another 20 minutes, I guess, to give him time to see if, or maybe call downstairs to see if he has come to the courthouse.
All right, I'll give it to 10:45.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm gonna step away for a minute.
Okay.
Right back.
My name is Kevon Terry Smith.
All right, Mr. Smith, take the hoodie off. And I don't do t-shirts and I don't do sweats in my courtroom, Mr. Smith. So when you come back, you dress appropriately. Shirt with a collar, all right?
All right,
Thank you.
no problem.
Okay, we lost your attorney.
Pardon me?
Your attorney will be back on in a few minutes. He was just on.
I haven't talked to him in months.
I know you said something about your phone number changed or something.
Yeah, I had lost that phone and I haven't been able to reach contact with him.
All right, well, when he comes back on, we'll make sure that both of you are able to exchange numbers. We're gonna have to reschedule your exam because it's set for in person. So we're gonna reschedule that.
Yes, and I was just up.
I beg your pardon? Go ahead.
Pardon me? I was just up there earlier to come in court in person, but they told me that it was scheduled to Zoom.
Right. They closed down the courts because of for in-person exams, because of the pandemic.
Right.
Ms. Franklin, you still there?
Pardon me?
I was talking to the prosecutor. Ms. Franklin?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, this is calling 205-7429. People of the State of Michigan versus Kevon Smith. Charge count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Appearances, please.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon on behalf of Mr. Smith.
Well, Mr. Smith, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Kevon Terry Smith.
All right, thank you, sir. All right. This matter was set for an in-person exam due to the court chief judge and Supreme Court order. The courts are not allowed to do in-person hearings now, so we're going to reschedule this matter to June 25th, 2021 at 9:00 a.m. Is that a good date?
Yes.
Friday, June 25th. I'm sorry, what time?
9:00.
9 o'clock. That's fine, Judge. If I may have a moment with Mr. Smith in a breakout room so I can update my contact information.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right. Well, Ms. Franklin, another one bites the dust.
Yes. You guys have a good day. Hi, Madam Court Reporter.
You too. Ms. Franklin, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Have a good day, Madam Clerk.
You too.
Have a good day. Now, take care.
Thanks, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All righty.
Okay, Judge.
All right, so you with us the whole week or what?
I don't know if, well, she should, and then if I am, tomorrow would be my last day, and then I'll be off,
Okay,
for my off day. But she's not, what she's doing is rotating everybody, kind of often because of the 4 courtrooms that are working. So I can't really
Right.
say, yeah, so I don't know for sure.
okay. All right, well, if we don't see you, have a good day.
Yes, and you as
Otherwise,
well.
we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay, take care now.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Oh. You might want that.
Am I all set, Your Honor?
Yeah, you're all set. Thank you. Take care, Mr.
All
Smith.
right. You
All
too.
right.